Hello everyone, this is Editorials by Kadrish. I hope you guys are doing well. We are back again with another video for Surds. Today we're dealing with Surds, and I hope you've been studying previous videos because the next video after the other, it builds up from what we have already done from the previous video. So I hope you guys are keeping up and study each and every video that we have put out there, and you keep up with us. So yeah, let's try and see what sets are all about. So by the end of today's videos, you'll be able to understand what a set is, be able to identify the difference between rational and irrational numbers, recognize common sets, simplify basic square roots where it is possible to do so. So let's dig in. Let's dig in. You have seen a number such as a root. Okay, sorry, the pen. Where's the pen? A number like root of 4, root of 9, root of 16. You have seen these numbers. These numbers are quite easy to calculate. The root of 4 is 2, the root of 9 is 3, the root of 16 is 4. Right? Yeah, it's 4. It's 4. So they are quite easy to calculate. But what happens if we have this root of 2? Can we find the whole number for this number? No, because if you calculate it, it will keep on giving you the numbers that are unrepetitive and till infinity, so we can't quite calculate them. This is where the sets are so important, so that we can find the answers behind this. So exactly what is a surd? Is an irrational root that cannot be simplified to a rational number. In simple terms, a surd is a root that gives an irrational number, meaning there is no whole number that when multiplied by itself, it gives you exactly 2 or the root of 2. Similarly, we have the root of 3, root of 5, root of 7. They can't quite give you a clear answer. They can't quite give you a clear answer to what the question is being asked. So these are irrational numbers. They will give you, if you put root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, they will give you the number that has infinite numbers after a comma, and they are non-repetitive numbers. So let's go. However, root of 4 equals 2. So this can be simplified to a rational number, which is 2. 2 is a rational number, and it's quite clear how we have calculated this one, and you know the root of 4 is 2. Okay, let's take one example. Root of 12. You can see that 12 is not a perfect square, but we can factorize it. We can say 12 equals to 4 times 3, right? If we can factorize 12, therefore we can say root of 12 equals 4 times 3. Basically what this will give us, it's going to give us as you can see, if we factorize this, we can use the root separately amongst 4 and 3. So we can say root 4 times 3 can be root 4 times root of 3. And we can see that 4 is a perfect square, so we can say 2 root of 3. You see how easy we can simplify a surd. Can you see? Can we take another example? Let's take another example. 20 root of 20. We can say, or we can see that 20 can be written as 4 times 5. So therefore we can write root of 20 can be written as 4 times 5, which we can write separately and say 4 times root of 5, which will basically be 2 root of 5. See how easy it is? It's quite easy to simplify the surds. It's quite easy. If you can know which number is a perfect square, which number is not a perfect square, you can quite easily maneuver through it. So yeah, man, it's very easy. I think, guys, we can end here with our today's lesson. And today we learned that a surd is an irrational number that cannot be simplified into a rational number. We also learned how to identify perfect squares and simplify the basic sets by finding the perfect square factors. Right? You have saw we did that. You have saw that we did that. And in our next lesson, we'll go deeper into simplifying surds and explaining how prime factorization is coming to and work to make things easier on the surds. So yes, remember that mathematics can be quite easily if you practice daily and you study new problems. Usually use question papers. And as I have promised you that we'll do quite a number of question papers, but after we have done the whole topic. Basically, this is algebra, man. This is algebra, and we quite building up through it so that we can be amazing with mathematics. So guys, I hope you guys are doing well and study smart. Keep well. My name is Cartridge, and I hope you guys do great, do good on your tests and your exams. So thank you for watching Tutorials by Kedris. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and share this lesson with your classmates and friends. Remember to turn on the notification button for the new videos so that you can be on alert for new videos. So guys, ciao.